Good morning, all. Today is June 10th, I believe. It's a Sunday. Down here at the off-grid cabin, just want to show you some work that I had done. Well, actually, let's start off here. This work was done prior so that I could put the cabin in, but this bank is starting to wash down a little bit. It's covering up all my gravel. So I think what I'm going to do is just kind of scoop it back a little bit and get some pressure treated beams and run down through here, maybe some railroad ties, and just lay down in through here and put some landscape fabric up, and then just cover that with some gravel or something, or maybe turn it into a little raised bed or something. I don't know. I still got to make up my mind what I'm going to do here for that. You got a lot of rain down here and it's all washing out now, all the way down through on the other side of the cabin. But had the excavator guy down here. He did some work. He opened this up a lot more and kind of leveled it all out. I got to get some stone in here still and get this brought up. This goes all the way around here. Again, I want to get some more gravel and stuff brought in. Like we should probably put a ditch in here or something so the daughter. But really open this wide open. I'd like to get another cabin and put down in here too, like a 12 by 32 maybe. A nice little trail up that way, probably a game trail. But it really opens it up pretty good here. And today I'm going to be working on the rain totes, rain harvesting system, getting the totes painted black. I brought down 275 gallons of water with me on the one tote, so definitely got to get these set up. But that's it for now. I'll bring you back more when we get more stuff done. And we'll talk to you later. Bye.